1, 2, 3.
Perfect start from my competitors here, ladies and gentlemen. World Tree Climbing Champion, Daniel Gurr, team number 1, the work rate like no one else. Look at the man move. Taking it down up the hill, it's blown back by tree number 2. Matthew Gurr is on number 4, and Josh Adamson on number 3 there. Lindsay York and Gurr on 4 and 5. Brad Meyer on 6 and on 7, and number 8 there we have Joshua Banks from Tasmania. All coming exceptionally well indeed. First up the top is Gurr, Daniel Gurr. He's going exceptionally well indeed. He's the current world champion, ladies and gentlemen, for this event 2-3 years ago at Royal Melbourne. Gurr's the board, ethically indeed. He's 9 trip to stage the game. The man is trying hunting down Adamson on tree number 3. Up the top there, we have Wago coming very, very strong indeed. Matthew Gurr is also on the way along with Blake Meyer, Lindsay York, and Brad Meyer coming down now, and Josh is about to come down onto the ground just a few moments. No one's going to catch Daniel Gurr, ladies and gentlemen, by looking at him, so there's something drastically goes wrong indeed. Wagner's got a lot of ground to make up there, down far on. Josh Adamson going to that third and final foothold on the second side. Matthew Gurr going up on the second side there as well, along with Blake Meyer. Lindsay York getting a little bit of a gain there on everybody else there, on tree number 5. And no one is going to outsmart Daniel Gurr. He's going to fly the last one, and there is your new Australian tree climbing champion, ladies and gentlemen. The main person looking into it is going to be very excited. Can't see the other side. Matthew Gurr's got there on 4. Adamson's got the locker on, but there's your unofficial second. Third place is the guy on the podium. Just the time here for each and every one of these guys. It's going to be Gurr or Wagner. It's going to be Moses, it's going to be Meyer. It's going to be Gurr, I think, yeah, he's following son on the podium here at Melbourne Royal 2022. The man that taught the master is going to be taking that third and final spot. There they go down, talking to it. Fourth place going to Wagner, fifth place to Meyer. Sixth place is going to go to Lindsay York there. And Brad Meyer is about to finish that lot off. Just a few moments along with Josh Bates. Bit of a hanging chip. And there goes Brad Meyer's on. And Josh Bates is going to finish the lot off.